What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, so y'all know what that means. Your girl about to whoop up a little stuff. But yeah, I decided to make shrimp po' boys. I've been craving shrimp po' boys for the longest. I'm not sure why, but yeah, since I don't have nothing else to do, why not go ahead and make my shrimp po' boys? So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to make my shrimp po' boys. I'm not sure how many times I'm going to keep saying shrimp po' boys. With my shrimp po' boys, I'm going to add a side of Arby's curly fries. And I got all my items from the local Walmart. Y'all going to see how I prep my items. Everybody do their shrimp po' boys different. This is how I do mine. So you can either take what I'm giving you or don't use it at all. Either way it go, your girl is about to eat. So anyway, let's get into the video. So, the girl is in the kitchen doing her little thing or whatever, and y'all, these shrimp smell so good already. So this is actually my first time frying shrimps with buttermilk. I was told it makes your seafood like more crunchy, so we will see. And I also decided to make my own, I may say this wrong, so don't laugh at me, remoulade. I'm going to make my own sauce. I went on Pinterest and got a recipe from off of there. So yeah, I'm going to make my own sauce, and y'all know I'll be winging it when it comes to these type of things. So we're going to see how it turn out. Tell me these don't look so crunchy and delicious. Yup, your girl did that. I can't wait until I can actually get all my kitchen appliances that I want, because I do want to start doing more cooking, you know, like little short videos, and because I like making different dishes. So yeah, once I get like all my appliances that I want, update all my utensils and stuff, I want to start posting like more videos of me in the kitchen. Let's fry these last pieces of shrimp. And what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to get my buns and go ahead and toast them and make my sauce. Fries should be done by then. And dinner is served. Good and toasty. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare The sauce, I'm using this, and this. This is my first time making this sauce. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but I'm definitely going to taste it before I decide to put it on my po' boy, because I could just do without the sauce, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so I just made my sauce. Again, these are the ingredients that I used. I used a half a cup of ketchup. I used a half a cup of ketchup, a cup of mayonnaise, and a teaspoon and a half of the how you say this? Worcestershire, whatever. I used a half. I used a teaspoon and a half of this. I don't know how to pronounce it, so y'all know what I'm talking about. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm just stirring it up. I'm not sure how it's going to taste yet, but we shall see. And I'm actually going to make Monte taste it first before I taste it. I don't know if that's mean or not, but. So, I had everyone taste the sauce, and I even tasted it myself, and it's really not that bad. I thought, since I used like mayonnaise and mustard, I thought it was going to be more mayonnaise-y, but it doesn't taste that bad. So, now since everything is finished, fries are done, shrimps, everything is just ready, buns are toasted. Now it's time for me to go ahead and dress up these plates. Po' boys are finished, and this is the final. This is the final look. And Monte don't like sauces and stuff, so he has a plain dry po' boy. But yeah, so I just want to thank you all for watching my video, and just give me a thumbs up just for making my first cooking segment video for 2020, and I'll see you all in my next video.